Hi everybody, watch this. This is my puppy. See him? He's a baby. Here, I'll show you some more of them. Stay here, puppy. There's some more of them. You see him? There's a mommy. Now this one, he's hungry. Now watch this. Hold on. He'll do it. Watch this, you guys. He'll attack me. Look at this. Look at this. He's like on my freaking finger. This is too good. Oh my god. He thinks it's a nipple. Crazy puppy. Crazy puppy. Alright. So I'm gonna let you guys say goodbye to these little creepos. Here, Lala's, your baby is hungry. See, look at. Here's one. Get off that nipple, boy. I hate puppies sometimes. I'm trying to sleep out here. Ugh. They're cute, though. They're cute. Gotta admit that. So, peace out, you guys. Just wanted to show you guys that because he was like hanging on my finger. He must be a hungry little puppies. Alright, so see you guys. Peace out.